Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to install OBS software in your machine. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster software, and it is a software for recording screen. Now, first and foremost, I'd like you to go to Google and type the following. Type obsproject.com and select according to your machine or your operating system. If you are using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, select the one that is compatible with your machine. Like for mine, I'm going for Windows. If you select for Windows, the software will automatically start downloading, but I don't have to download it because I already have the software, and as you can see, it is already on my machine, so I will stop it from there. Once after you have downloaded the software, you'll go to where your file has been downloaded. As you can see here, mine is here. You automatically just select the setup, and once you have selected the setup, a notification will pop up on your screen like this one you can see here. Then say yes, click next with the installation wizard. Click next, agree with the license and all the public authorization, and you can navigate where you want it to be installed, if it is in the local disk C or anywhere you want it to be. Then click on install, but I don't have to do all this. Okay, let me just wait for this to finish, but I've already have the software in my machine. So this is just a simple step on how to install the OBS. Once you have installed the OBS in your machine, the machine will automatically we are going to wait for it to finish up. Once it has finished the installation, there's an error there. I'll have to cancel it because I think the error has been brought by for the fact that I've already installed the application. So I'm going to launch my OBS. Machine. Let me wait for it to load up. It's going to take some time. We're going to launch anyway. That is because I've clicked several times. Now, well, boom, there we go. We have the OBS running on your machine. It has already been launched. Now you can click here, and you'll have several options. You can go for the audio input, audio output, browser, and all these options, and you can start the project. Now for you can also do the game capture. You can as well do display capture and all that, but I'm going to click on the display capture and add. Once we add, we're going to start recording, and as you can see, it has just popped up. And once you have that one, we can also start recording. You can start streaming, you can record, you can start virtual camera, you can all these settings are there in your control panel. Now you can make it use the way you want it, you can set it the way you want it, and I hope you will be able to stream your video with friends,